Hi class, today we are going to finish up the chapter and we're going to discuss the AIDA model. So the AIDA concept is a model that outlines the process for achieving promotional goals in terms of stages of consumer involvement with the message. The acronym stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. The AIDA concept assumes that promotional propels consumers along the 4 steps in the purchase decision process. First step, attention. So the advertiser must first gain the attention of the target market. Interest. You have to create interest in the product. Desire. Show how product features will satisfy customer needs. And action. A special offer or a strong closing pitch may drive the consumer to purchase the product. So salespeople are more effective at creating customer interest for merchandise or a service and at creating desire. Public relations' greatest impact is as a method of gaining attention for a company, good, or service. Sales promotion's greatest strength is creating strong desire and purchase intent. And social media are a strong way to gain attention and interest in a brand, particularly if content goes viral. And here is showing how the promotional mix, advertising, public relations, sales promotion, personal selling, and social media match up with the AIDA. So the very effective is the red dots. The empty dots are somewhat effective, and not effective would be advertising and public relations because they're not personal. So, IMC, or Integrated Marketing Communications, is the careful coordination of all promotional messages for a product or a service to ensure the consistency of messages at every contact point at which a company meets the consumer. So, what this means is that all of your advertisements, all of your publicity, all of your sales promotions, everybody's on the same page. You reuse your Twitter content onto Facebook, etc. What affects the promotion of the choice? The nature of the product, the stage in the product life cycle, target market characteristics, types of buying decision, available funds, and the push or pull strategy. The nature of the product. A product can be classified either as a business or a consumer product. So business products are often custom tailored to the buyer's specifications. They're often not suited to mass promotion. Producers rely heavily on personal selling. While consumer products are not custom made, they don't require the selling efforts of a company rep, and consumer goods are promoted mainly through advertising to create familiarity. So we already discussed the product life cycle. We have the introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So when a product is first introduced, the target audience needs to be informed that the product is out there and available. In growth, so that's when the product's differential advantage over the competition. So that's when you play up your competitive advantage. We are better than so-and-so because of X, Y, or Z. Maturity stage. Competition becomes fiercer, so you have to be very persuasive and you have to use reminder advertising. And then decline stage, all the promotion is reduced. And there's once again the product life cycle. You can take a look at that a little more closely. Target market characteristics. So more advertising and sales promotion and less personal selling are required for a target market that is categorized by a widely scattered potential customers, highly informed buyers, and brand loyal repeat purchases. So if you're well known and your buyers are already highly informed, then you can use advertising and sales promotion. So, types of buying decision. For routine consumer decisions, the most effective promotion calls attention to the brand. Complex consumer decisions rely on large amounts of information. And if it's neither routine nor complex, advertising and PR can help establish the awareness for the good or the service. Also available funds. You have to see how much funds you have available because the cost per contact is much higher for personal selling than it is for advertising. Now we have our push and pull strategy. A push strategy is a marketing strategy that uses aggressive personal selling and trade advertising to convince a wholesaler or a retailer to carry and sell particular merchandise. That's aggressive. push, on the other hand, is a marketing strategy which stimulates consumer demand to obtain product distribution. And here's an example of the push and pull strategy. So that wraps up chapter 15. We'll see you again soon.